Howdy and welcome to jard'slog day 66. It's currently like 9 something. I'm off to class. I've already eaten and read and stuff like that, so I am super tired right now too. So I don't know how long I'll be able to last doing this kind of thing for right now because I'm super tired. But I mean, just wanted to give a little short update. Today's gonna be busy, especially the second half of the day when I'm doing like, cow stuff and reviewing and stuff like that. But hopefully that should be pretty good. I mean, that's just my little short update for right now. I really don't have much else to say, so I'll be back shortly. Alright, I'm back. It's like 2 o'clock. I literally used the entirety of the rest station, and I ended up still missing one of the problems on the Polish stuff, so I got like a 73 on that homework, so that's fantastic. And so I currently had like a 90 on the other one, but it's because I screwed up an integral somewhere, so I'm going to have to go back and redo that. But essentially I'm going to go rush back to my room. I still haven't eaten yet. Like, I haven't eaten lunch at all, so I'm going to go do that. Throw my stuff in the washer, go back up, get ready. I just like eat, I guess. Eat, then do phys homework for like an hour. Figure out what I actually do now know, because we've talked about stuff a little bit more, and what I don't, like what I need to check in the book for. And then maybe go into office hours if I need help. Then after that I still need to finish cow homework, and I still have not studied for like almost any of the exams. But we were talking with our professor, because I really do not think his exam's going to be that bad at all. Like, he's definitely giving us, he always does really stupid hard stuff on the homework. Makes it way easier on the actual exam. I'm going to do that. And then also, this is only like one method, so I really don't need to review that. But chem, I really need to go over that stuff, because goodness, I really don't know what's going to be on this exam at all for that class. And I need to go over the homework again for phys. And so it's just not going to be a great time, especially since all those exams are 2 days away now. So goodness, I knew this week was going to be rough for the most part, but I mean, that's what I get. But I should have time after office hours for like a couple hours to look over stuff before breakaway, I guess. So that'll probably be chem study time, or I guess I could do laundry then, maybe? I don't know. I'll end up figuring it out, but that's just my update and complaining for right now. So I'll be back shortly. Alright, it's like 3:50 right now. I've gotten through most of the phys homework. There's the last part, I have no idea where to even start, because it gives us a velocity distribution, which is fairly basic stuff for like kinetic gas theorem and stuff like that. But I don't know which version of a distribution is it, because there's like 6 of them listed in his notes, and like each of them is like a step in some very complicated integration to find some constant alpha. And so I really do not know. Like, I don't know what step of the process it's on currently, and it's not like the other ones at all, so I need to figure out how to just do the entirety of that. And then I got 2 small parts of like 2 different things that I need to ask questions for, so those won't be as bad. So who knows, we'll end up seeing. But I'm just off to office hours to get as much help as possible. I still have not done laundry yet, and I still have not been able to study like at all today because homework. So that's fantastic. And tomorrow I'll have the lab stuff, so I don't even know if I'll be able to study then either. So this is just all going great right now. So I mean, it is what it is and isn't what it isn't, so I can't really do anything about it now. So hopefully when I get back I have time to do laundry and study. I'll probably study for chem. Being honest, I'm kind of the most scared for that one right now, because I really don't remember a lot of stuff that's been over. And so, I'll just have to review all that stuff and just try to get it all down. But who knows? We'll see how that all goes Thursday, I guess. So, that's what I have to say for right now. So I'll be back shortly. Alright, so I'm back. It's like 5:30. I still don't have a lot with the phys homework done. I didn't end up getting to ask him as much questions as I would have liked, because a lot of people were asking kind of dumb questions, I guess. I guess they seemed dumb to me, but to them they probably weren't as dumb. But essentially, I thought I figured out where to start with the last one, but literally the integral that I would have to take is impossible to take. Like I put it into an integral calculator because I was like, okay, I see where to start with this thing, and it told me that the integral was impossible. So I need to talk to him about whether there was an error in formatting or if I'm misunderstanding where to start with the problem. So we'll end up figuring out what I'm doing there. But I mean, let's see. He did push back the due date of it to Friday, but I will not be here Friday at the time I can turn it in. So essentially, I think my plan is I'm going to go in. I think there's office hours tomorrow. Go in there, ask him like the 2 questions I have left. Like, because one of them I would be able to do the rest of it, but I do not know where to start, and so that's completely screwing me over there. And then the other one, I'm just not exactly sure how to do the proof of something. So, I'll talk to him about all that, try to figure out how I'm gonna do it. But, once I'm good, I should be good for a while. But that got bumped back, so that means I'm not spending more time on that tonight. I'm gonna go back and study for chem probably before, like, up to the till it's time to head out to breakaway. So I mean, that's the update for right now. Didn't get as much time as I liked, but I did get some stuff done. I did end up figuring out one of the problems just by looking over the notes real quick, so that's good. So I got one problem left and the entirety of another one left, so that's a grand old time. So that's all to say for right now, so I'll be back shortly. Alright, I'm back. It's like 6:40 now. I did the mock test for chem. I don't know how long it took me. I didn't time myself or anything. I don't think I was anywhere close to getting the time limit. And if I was, it would have been a lot less, because I stopped in the middle to eat a little bit more. And I had to scroll down the bottom of the page to get access to like formula charts and like periodic tables and stuff like that, which on the next exam I can rip that section off, and she lets us do that. So I took it, and I haven't reviewed yet, like, at all. And I'm probably going to review, probably not a lot of gas stuff, but probably a lot of a little bit periodic trends, but mainly the Vesper stuff. That's the stuff I've been struggling with the most. But I only missed 2 questions out of 22, which is about how good I did on the last exam. So that's really good. So, I need to not rush it this time around, because I could easily end up missing more questions. And then also I'm going to study after this. But I think after taking this exam, I realized I knew most of it. So now I know which sections to study, which is going to be that's going to be the Vesper stuff. Not the Vesper stuff, orbitals stuff. So it uses Vesper. I mean, the Vesper uses orbitals, but Vesper isn't on this test. So I'm going to study over the orbital qualifications of that, because like I haven't checked which ones I missed, but I'm willing to bet it's those. It's 2. Let's see what 14 is. Oh no, okay, that one I didn't really remember the rule for, so I'll just go over that again. That one was a gas one about effusion, which I didn't remember at all. So I mean, who knows? I mean, I think I'll be good on this exam, but I'll definitely study a little bit. But that made me taking this practice exam real quick made me feel better, so that's good. So now I just need to look over the phys homeworks a lot tomorrow, I guess, to review before that exam. But I'll have time not only time tomorrow, but also time Thursday to review for that exam. I will not have that same luxury on the chem exam. So that's all I have to say for right now. That's my little update. I'm gonna go to breakaway at some point tonight, but I'll have like 2 hours to review chem stuff, review phys stuff, or do something else. Who knows? I'll figure it out. But that's all I have to say for right now. So I'll be back shortly. Alright, it's like 7:20 currently. I looked over homework 4 for phys, and I'm fairly confident on like most of it. I'll have to look over some of it again tomorrow, or maybe Thursday. during the day a little bit, but I've been doing. I felt pretty confident, like especially the first half. There's just like a couple equations he didn't give us. For instance, C dy dx equals dy dt. But that I should know that, but I'm just being dumb, so that's not too hard. And then like that stuff you can derive. And then C equals the square root of t naught over mu, which I don't know why he doesn't have that yet. I may ask him tomorrow during office hours, which I'll be going to again for homework this time. But I mean, I think I'll be solid, like for the most part. So hopefully I'll be good. So like I feel pretty confident about that. I'll look over 5 and 6 tomorrow, and then like when I have a little bit more time on my hands, I'll be doing chem pre-lab too. This one isn't actually a pre-lab though. It's apparently this lab's just a worksheet, so who knows? So I'm not figuring that out when I get there. But yeah, I'm bored, tired of doing homework for a little bit. So breakaway, we're planning on meeting at the rec at like 8, not rec, at Reed at 8:30. And so I'm probably gonna just go walk around for a little bit because it's nice recently, especially once it starts off the day kind of cool, and then it seems like wearing these, like I'm wearing long sleeves and stuff. So I'm dying in the afternoon, but like in the morning and at night I feel really good. So I'll probably just be walking around for a little bit. So that's my little update for right now. I'll probably give you an update like after breakaway or like on the way to breakaway or something, I don't know. But that's all I have to say for right now. So I'll be back shortly. Alright, I'm back. It's like 10:50. It's fairly productive. Like time, I'm not counting for breakaway. It was good. TA preached a good last sermon for Songs of Solomon. Started talking about like establishing boundaries, and you know, like women needed to be like walls and like protect their bodies and stuff like that, and like not really be in a rush and things. And guys needed to be allies, and you know, not butts and constantly just like pursuing sex and stuff like that. So it was really, really good, really powerful. He was also talking about stuff like, he's like, you know, you shouldn't lead a girl on. Really, really good stuff, just really good advice. So it was a good way to end off the series. But now we're off of relationships, and we're talking about other things in breakaway. So that would be exciting as someone who's probably not going to be in a relationship for a while. So that's nice. But I mean, I really don't have much else to say for the night. So this is where I'm ending it off. So thanks for stopping by. I hope to see you again sometime.